I'm Leslie Leckett. I'm an associate professor of animal science.
I'm Terrell Bradford. I'm an instructor of animal science.
You will earn your Bachelor's of Science degree in animal science. You will choose one of two emphases. We have a pre-veterinary emphasis, and then we have an animal science emphasis.
On our campus, currently we have horses, sheep, goats, and beef cattle.
One thing I really love about our animal science program is how hands-on we are. The classes are really small, so as a professor, I really get to know the students, which I love. You will be hands-on week 2 of the semester. You'll be in the barns working with the animals. The national average acceptance rate into veterinary school is only 11%, but students coming from our program have a much higher acceptance rate that we're really proud of. Our 5-year average acceptance rate is at 65%, and some years our acceptance rate is at 90%.
Our program requires all our students complete an internship. These internships are related to their field of study, and they often set them up for a career after graduation.
After graduation, our students go on to a variety of different careers, including those in production, nutrition, sales, feed companies, artificial insemination companies, food processing, government inspection, teaching and research, or at a vet clinic. Don't be afraid to reach out if you have any questions about our program.
Come and schedule a visit and check it all out.